Starting a website is an essential step for any entrepreneur looking to establish an online presence. Whether you're launching a new business, building your personal brand, or creating a portfolio, having a website can significantly boost your visibility and credibility. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose a domain name. Your domain is your website's address on the internet, so it should be easy to remember, relevant to your business, and ideally, a .com. Make sure to check that it's available and then register it with a domain registrar. Next, you'll need web hosting. Hosting services store your website's files and make them accessible to visitors. Popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and GoDaddy. Look for a reliable host that offers good customer support and fits your budget. Once you've secured your domain and hosting, it's time to design your website. If you're not a designer, don't worry. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace offer easy-to-use templates that can be customized to suit your brand. Focus on creating a user-friendly layout with clear navigation and ensure your site is mobile responsive. After designing, you'll need to add content. This includes your homepage, about page, products or services, blog, and contact information. Make sure your content is clear, concise, and speaks directly to your target audience. High-quality images and engaging copy are key to making a strong impression. Finally, before going live, test your website thoroughly. Check all links, forms, and pages to ensure everything works correctly. Once you're satisfied, publish your site and start promoting it through social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies. Founding a website is just the beginning. Regular updates, fresh content, and ongoing optimization are crucial for maintaining and growing your online presence. As an entrepreneur, your website can be one of your most powerful tools. Make it count.